I'm going to show you the example of what's called 1-0 buy down. Generally, it's a great thing for a consumer who is buying a home. 1-0 in this example just means the rate is reduced for 1 year by 1%. For example, if the going rate is 6.5%, for the first year, for the first 12 months, it will be reduced by 1%. Let's look at the example. We're also going to talk about who is going to pay for this. It's not going to be you. Please stay with us. We're going to show it to you now. Okay, so let's go through this example. In order to save time, I already wrote something down, my assumptions. So let's say the loan amount you're applying for is $400,000 for 30 years. Okay, we assume that the current rate is 6.5%, as you can see. Now, what 1-0 buy down does, it reduces this 6.5 rate by 1% for the first year. In other words, for the first 12 months, the payment will be lower, and then it goes back to 6.5 again, just to give you some help if you're buying a home. For example, at 6.5, that payment, based on 30 years and $400,000, results in $2,528 a month, and at 5.5, it results in $2,271 a month. As you can see, the difference is 8, and this is $287. So the difference is $287 per month. Now, normally, it used to be that the banks would say, okay, you know what, negotiate with the seller that they would pay this difference for 12 months. Let's just see what it turns out to be. It's going to be $3,440 a year that you are going to save. So someone needs to pay for this, as I said earlier. But what the banks are doing now, they're trying to give you an incentive, and they will say, we, are going to do it through the brokers, and you are going to, we basically, nobody has to pay. The consumer just gets it pretty much for free. So if you apply now, okay, and again, the going rate is 6.5, you might get 1-0 buy down, temporary buy down for 1 year. The idea here that hopefully the rates are going to stabilize and go down, and maybe within a year and a half, you're going to refinance. So you just saw the example of how 1-0 buy down works. This is not forever. Obviously, banks are kind of losing money. They're doing it to attract the business. This offer is available until the end of this month. Hopefully, more of it will be available in the future. But if you have any questions or would like to take advantage of it, please write in comments, like this video, and share with your friends.